Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips, part 2 of this. The gentleman, so if we remember from part 1, this thing is really close to 10.5, but he wants them symmetrical. So the only way to do something like this symmetrically would be able to contour it. So we're going to contour to the outside 0.02 with rounded corners, and we get that. Now, let's break it apart. Go up to Object, Break, Contour Apart, and let's see what this line is. It's not really divisible, so we either may need to make it a little bit smaller or a little bit larger. So with this right here, with your ratio locked, let's go 102. And you see we're at 1193. So let's go 102.9, and we're at really close to 12 inches. So you could actually go 8.7, and we're getting really close. So now, well, we can leave it there. If you remember from the first video, so we're at 12 inches. So we need to, let's close these down, and let's open up the blend docker, and we need to get out a calculator. So we've got 12 inches divided by 0.1 is 120. So we only need 118. So let's blend this because we have the two. And then let's go to blend along new path, put it on the path, blend along full path, and you get that right there. Pretty close. Now this one was 10.5. We've still got our blend. Let's blend this. I can't remember what it was. Get out the calculator. 10.5 divided by 0.1 is 105, so we need 103 because we already have two. Blend along new path, blend along full path, and like sometimes you have to rotate, but since it's an ellipse, it doesn't need rotation. So there you have it. That's pretty good. And then you would you could probably select it all, go up to Object, break the 6 objects apart, select it again, go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And then you could always tell if you hit the line or not, because you see the whole thing is a box. So if you hit that line and you got a box, if you hit just a circle, you're just going to get a circle. But if you hit the line on dead on, so that's pretty cool. That's the way I would do it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.